Good morning, friends. I am Dr. DK Rai. Today I am going to talk about some glimpses of my book, Let Autistic Child Be the Best, a guide for parents and adults with autism, and some important points I will discuss here so that the person who could not read the book could get the important informations through these videos. Number one is the what government is doing in India. Number one, a National Trust for Welfare of Persons with Autism, Cerebral Palsy, Mental Retardation, and multiple disabilities, including autism. First, the National Trust is doing financial assistance. National Trust provides financial assistance to families for the care and support of individuals with autism and other disabilities. National Trust focuses on welfare of individuals with autism, and it also focuses on caregivers training and capacity building. It needed to support the individuals with disabilities and empower the families. Means if they will get the training, they will take care of properly. So that parents training is very crucial aspect in the autistic child care, because it is proven by research that if a child is given therapies at home by the parents, then they will get 5 times more result, and they will get opportunities to practice the skill 20 times more. So that training and capacity building of parents is very crucial aspect, and National Trust is catering that. Next is promotion of guardianship and alternatives. The National Trust promotes alternatives or guardianship, emphasizing supported decision making to protect the rights and autonomy of individuals with disabilities. Means they are fulfilling the gap when the parents are not able to support their autistic children, are not available in this world, then they are providing the guardianship alternatives, which is very useful. Then next is accreditation of training programs by Rehabilitation Council of India. It helps in promoting, and key initiatives include the accreditation of institutions and programs involved in training professionals in the field of rehabilitation, ensuring quality services for individuals with disabilities. Next is advocacy for inclusive education, to make education accessible for individuals with disabilities by creating supportive environment in schools and colleges. So that inclusive education is very crucial for autistic individual, because if in inclusive education neurotypical children and autistic children are not only learning simultaneously but also learning social skills and other positive things with their neurotypical child. What is the certification of rehabilitation professional? In it provides the various rehabilitation disciplines contributing to a skilled workforce that can effectively support individuals with disabilities. Next is the government initiative and programs to play a crucial role in providing support resources and advocacy for individuals with autism and their families, contributing to a more inclusive and supportive society. Next question is parenting a child with autism, challenges and joys, which we have discussed in our book. Uh, some important points we will discuss here, that is, challenges and joys of parenting a child with autism. Parents are facing unique challenges, like understanding and navigating these aspects is more fulfilling the parent's experience. First challenge is communication difficulties. Autistic child are non-verbal or minimally verbal, so that they could not express their needs, wants, emotions, and parents are facing these challenges. And the prime complaint of parents of autistic children are coming to the clinic or any therapy center due to the lack of speech. that my child is not speaking. They are not aware about other aspects, but their main problem is that child is not speaking, and that is why they are coming to the clinic or therapy center. Then, because it is very frustrating for both parents and child, because child wants to communicate something, but parents are not understanding, and parents wants to communicate something, child is not understanding, so that lack of communication causes frustrating situation. And there is behavioral challenge. Due to behavioral challenge, child is showing meltdown and showing repetitive behavior like hand flapping, steaming, or moving round and round. Sometimes they are facing difficulties with transition. They require patience and consistent strategy to manage these situations. Other is advocacy, navigating the educational system to ensure appropriate support and accommodations for the child can be complex and demanding. Because in I have already told that in education the child needs more time in test or exam because they are processing sensory inputs in a longer time, so that they should be provided sensory breaks. They should be given more time to finish their exams to adjust the educational system. Other is social isolation. Parents may experience social isolation due to the stigma surrounding them and difficulty participating in social activities. Next is financial strain. The cost associated with therapies and interventions and specialized education may create financial strain for the family. Other is the unique strength. People are usually emphasizing only challenges of the autistic individuals, but autistic individuals have many strengths. Like you have to celebrate and accept the unique strength and abilities of the child with autism, such as their attention to detail, creativity, or specific interest. These things should be appreciated. Next is you have to provide unconditional love. Bothering about the child is having autism or not. Experiencing the profound and unconditional love that often characterizes the parent-child relationship, regardless of the challenge. It will improve the relations with your child, and child will become more secure and feel more enthusiastic if you provide unconditional love, because child is facing many challenges, and sometimes children become very much depressed, so that your unconditional love will support your child. Next is developmental milestones. Celebrating each developmental milestone and the child's progress, whether big or small, is a source of joy for parents. Then special bonds. Building a unique and special bond with the child, often characterized by honesty, sincerity, and deep understanding of each other. Means you have to celebrate if your child is achieving small or big any milestone, like getting any medal in any competition, getting speaking something in a positive way. You have to appreciate that. If child is saying bye bye papa, hello mama, then you have to motivate your child. These are the time to celebrate that your child is not only speaking but also learning the social skills. Then you have to develop your special bonds by giving unconditional love and sincere take care. You have to play with your child, then child will be more attached. That is why play therapy is becoming popular, because if you are playing with your child and then you are teaching during play, then child will learn in a better way in spite of just giving lessons in a traditional system. Next is community support. Finding joy in connecting with other parents, who share similar experiences, forming a supportive community. Means if you are joining a WhatsApp or Facebook group of autistic children, parents, then you will get not only emotional support but also you will get important informations and interventions related update, so that you should join these social groups. You can also connect with NGO or autism societies so that you could be aware about and updated about the latest informations of autism. In this way, you can help your autistic children in a better way. These things will not only give the confidence and increase the morale of your child, but also help in the holistic development of your child, so that you should take care of these points in a proper way in the development of your child. If this video is helpful for you, like it, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. And if you want to buy the book Let Autistic Child Be the Best, you can get the link in description or call 9773935777 to get additional bonus, that is free PDF checklist of autism treatment, step by step guide for special Olympic participation, and step by step guide for autism treatment for the child diagnosed first time or a child not getting improvement from various interventions. And you will also get the book summary PDF. These things will be given to our webautism family community of WhatsApp, Facebook, or YouTube, and other social media channels associated family members. Just you have to call, and you will get these bonuses along with your paperback copy of the book. Thank you for watching. Meet with you in a next video.